All right, now more on our frigid forecast. Ben, Detroiters can handle cold weather. We're used to it, but this kind of cold, it puts us to the test because it's day after day after day and really no end in sight.
That's true, Karen. It's a very persistent deep freeze, a very Arctic assault, and it does look like it's going to continue at least through the upcoming weekend. The good news is it's even worse other places, and we'll get to that in a minute. 10 degrees is what we woke up to in Detroit, and that was one of the warmer numbers. Look at all those single digits, even 4 below. That was the actual air temperature in Lapeer this morning. We are at 23 as we speak. We told you that at the top of the show, and that's probably going to be the warmest temperature that we record until the middle of next week. You can see where those colder temperatures lie. Current readings right now in the Dakotas, Minnesota, single digits, so close to what we woke up to in parts of the area this morning, but the wind chills are a whole nother story. Double digits below in Bismarck and Duluth. There are wind chill warnings in the northern parts of those states where they are expecting 55 below zero wind chills at times through the rest of the week. Those warnings are continuing into effect until Sunday, believe it or not. So this pocket of Arctic air will eventually try to slide over the Great Lakes. It's not going to be as intense by the time it gets here, but we are going to see those temperatures drop again as we go into the weekend. The only warning we have out is for the St. Clair River. Flood warning up there technically until Sunday at 3, but again, they got to wait on those cutters to see if they get the ice cleared out of the river. Otherwise, we enjoyed some sunshine to go along with our frigid temperatures today, and we'll see a little bit more as we go forward, but really not in the short term. Clouds are going to start increasing tonight. There's a system that's going to move just to our south. So if you're in the south zone towards the state line, chances you may get some very minor accumulations of less than an inch, and that's going to be about it. Everybody gets a shot Thursday night going into Friday. It's going to be similar to what we picked up this morning, around an inch, maybe some slightly higher totals in spots. And then once we get into the weekend, another chance as we get into Saturday night, Sunday morning. That one may be just slightly higher, but all of these are going to be fairly minor events. So this is the Thursday, Friday time frame. And again, numbers at least in Detroit should stay under an inch, and we'll see very similar conditions elsewhere. Let's look at wind chills tonight, as winds are not going to be blowing all that fast, but they will put wind chills in negative territory in spots. West Bloomfield, Troy, 1 below as we wake up tomorrow morning. South zone wind chills, positive territory, but barely. Look for a 0 out there in Carlton. Milan, you'll be at 1 tomorrow morning. And your west zone wind chills, negative numbers there. Ann Arbor, Brighton, Milford, Clarkston. Again, this is how we're going to wake up tomorrow morning. And north zone wind chills will be in negative territory for pretty much everybody, including up there in Sanilac County. 5 below is how it's going to feel. The thermometer will read 7, at least in the metro zone tomorrow morning. And high temperatures, there you see it, low 20s all the way through the upcoming work week. And then the temperatures dip down again going into the weekend until we get to our coldest mark there on Monday morning, Karen, 0 degrees. Wind chills will be negative for everybody. There is some sunshine mixed in there, and that's about all the good things we can say about that.
All right, thank you, Ben. And thank you